You're watching City Channel 4, your window to our community. Every year during Bike to Work Week, 3 elected officials from around Johnson County race each other from the Coralville Public Library to the Iowa City Public Library. Each uses a different form of transportation, a bicycle, a bus, or a car, and races across town while following all traffic laws. This year, Jim Throgmorton, an Iowa City Council member, drove the car. Terrence Nugel of the Johnson County Board of Supervisors rode the bike. And University Heights City Council member Mike Haverkamp rode the bus and his bike. This is the story of the epic bike bus car race of 2013.
And we're off. If I can just come pretty close to the vehicle, I think that's pretty good. That's my goal today, is just be within 3 or 4 or 5 minutes of the vehicle. It would be nice. Probably, hopefully beat the bus, as long as they get a few stops along the way. Want to obey the laws for bicycling and play it fair, and we'll see what happens.
I ride a lot, and I do ride the bus, but I don't do that together. So Chris Ackerson from the transportation planner with MPOJC was very helpful to say, put the bike up first, put it in the one closest to the bus, pull out the hook that goes over the front wheel. It was pretty simple. And I have a heavy bike compared to most, so I figure if I can do that, anybody can do it.
And the hazards of driving, is having to worry about all these other vehicles. Not to mention people walking across the parking lot.
Great outside today, great breeze, beautiful.
Actually, I rode city buses quite a bit when I was a kid in Iowa City, and great way to get around. And the fact that Iowa City and Coralville coordinate all their transit as well as the university with CAMBus, that's a great system.
And we take the lead, or at least second. I don't know where Terrence is.
We are almost, what is this, Hawkins? Yep. Got it.
Well, surely we're way ahead now. We've got to be way ahead. We've only had to stop at 4 red lights. Haven't waited too terribly long. Hey, who's that on a bike? Is that Terrence? No, it's not.
Yeah, that's him.
Was it?
In the yellow.
Oh, man.
Ah, so beautiful up here.
Can't be. Now I can't speed up. What am I going to do? Still keep doing what I'm doing, I guess.
Got a little catching up to do here. I'm on your left. Thank you. Downtown. Oh, there's Jim right there. The challenge is on. Will he find a parking place? If you've ever seen Ferris Bueller, when Ferris Bueller has to get back home before his parents do, and he basically is at the same spot, and his dad kind of looks over and he's like, and he looks through the bushes, and it was basically like that. At that point, I knew that I had a shot at beating the car today. Let's roll. got the light in front of him too.
Green light, green light. No. I had him. Well, I got off to a great start, immediately passed the bus. I knew we were on top then. And then next thing I knew, we got into Iowa City and we were going to go turn left to go up the hill, across the river, to cross the river and go up the hill. And I said, whoa, what's that? Is that Terrence? Couldn't be. And you said, it is. Oh, no. And then, I pulled ahead of him. Got caught by a left turn car, had to wait. Terrence goes flying past me. Nothing I could do.
All right. Feeling good? Feeling very good. One last little stop sign. Woo-hoo. All right.
All right. What time is it?
There's Jim getting a spot up there in the blue car.
All right. We might be able to catch them. Oh no, they've already gotten off their bikes. They're there. Put a coin in back here. This is the finish line, isn't it?
You really do see the cooperation between all the municipalities in the area and the university to be able to have a system that you can go from one city into another, be able to transfer. As we pull in here, the Coralville bus is saying we're pulling in, transfer to Iowa City, transfer to university. So it really, and the bus was full. It's 11:30 on a Monday and the bus is full. It's not a peak hour rush time. So it's obvious that it's a service that many of our citizens depend on.
It's just there's a lot of lessons to be learned, and the best lesson of all is that if you're capable of doing some exercising and really working on your lifestyle, eating better, exercising, all those kind of things like that, it really does improve your quality of life. And if you can do that at any stage of your life, go for it.
Bicycling is a safe, efficient, and healthy way to get around town. And I can tell you that I used to ride my bicycle all the time, literally all the time. For 6 years, I did not own a car. And I'm now almost 69 years old. So, I've been doing this for 25 years here in Iowa City.
You're watching City Channel 4. On TV, online, on demand, on Facebook, and now on the go on your mobile device.